this?
There's just a tiny little haptic motor in your fingertip, so when you touch something, you actually feel it. And then there's vibrations that interact as well to make it feel more like you're touching something. And obviously we are at a convention, so it's gonna probably look shakier than it would at home. It's weird because it adds something to your hands that makes you feel like you shouldn't be doing your normal hand interactions as much. You need to just act like they're your natural hands. You just have to get used to that. So with the sensors and stuff you feel inside, it's almost like you feel a penny on the tip of each finger, and that makes you kind of want to be hesitant with your hands. Motors in the wrists, fingertips, vibrations as well. Slight disconnect when something lands in your hand because you feel it touch your fingertips and then you feel vibration back here, but it feels like it should hit you in the palm. It's surprisingly natural enough though. Very quickly you start to take the vibrations for granted. It's odd. Like at first it's very amazing and then all of a sudden you're just like, I should feel this. This is normal. Same thing here. I'm feeling all my fingertips rumble, but the beams are coming from my palm, so it seems like my palm should be vibrating. I want to get shot. That's the thing. I want to get shot. I want to feel this. I know it's a game and I'm probably not supposed to get shot, but you want to feel the effects. So yeah, all feedback is coming from fingertips and wrists. VR chat head pats, people would really enjoy this. It'll change Blade and Sorcery when you can feel hitting people. Although you're used to having a vibration in your hands and feeling the controller's vibrations, so it doesn't feel as weird to feel vibrations in gloves as you would have expected. It's something we're kind of used to. There's no haptics on the headset. There is? Oh, so I'm feeling what I'm doing? I guess that's a milder motor, but it does give you a little bit of the PSVR 2 effect you're used to of having some sort of haptics in your head. I feel the fingertips and then the vibrations in the wrist are kind of making you feel like you're actually shaking something, but yeah, it's definitely just much more precise than having to be like, and trying to hit it. It's nice to just look. It is weird though, because it still feels unnatural because I'm used to doing this. Yeah. It's a neat idea. I hope the integration works, because I feel like having to put one more thing on, not everybody's into that. But if they already have the smartwatch and you integrate it, then it makes sense. Wow, this looks impressively good. I have not been doing enough with mine at home. Does space have a smell? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Space smells good. It smells very shampoo-y, almost uncomfortably so. That's the best one right there. That smells really nice. It smells like the Resident Evil 4 candle. I don't know if you ever smelled that. It smells just like that. It's horrible. That smells like allergies. You'd like this one, John.
Stay away.
Nice, that's fun.